Well, if the new you needs a little extra TLC for the new year and a surgical procedure may be on the agenda, you may want to look at options that are minimally invasive. I want you to meet Dr. Sydney Starkman. He is a board-certified plastic surgeon and is here with a couple of different procedures that can really help. So first of all, good to see you. Happy New Year to you.
Thank you, Terry. Happy New Year to you, too.
I'm always excited to talk to you because you bring us these procedures that are new and technology is involved, and minimally invasive is what people are looking for today. And one of the things that I know people come to talk to you about is their neck and their jowls, kind of those areas that have a tendency to sag after time. What are women saying to you, and men?
Well, you know, you're absolutely right. Patients come in and they talk about how they just feel like things are falling. They feel like they're noticing that they're getting older. And, you know, there's still no complete alternative to an old-fashioned surgical facelift, but people want to look younger, they want to feel better, and they don't want the downtime and the recovery that goes into a facelift these days.
Okay, excellent. So this procedure that you do is called FaceTite. So how does it work?
So FaceTite is revolutionary new technology, a new treatment that works by simultaneously tightening the skin and melting the fat underneath the skin to give the results similar to about 30 to 40% of what a facelift would do, similar to a mini facelift with minimal downtime and no surgical incisions.
And that's taking care of the jowl area that everybody, you know, talks about, and also the neck, like underneath the chin area?
Yes, the jowls underneath the neck, the chin, and then also there's a smaller handpiece called Accutite that can work for areas of the face as well that are also having sagging or falling down.
Wow, okay. Let's take a look at the results and let's talk about downtime because, I mean, there is a bit of a procedure involved. How much downtime?
So patients typically can expect about 1 to 3 days of downtime. Some patients will come in on a Monday and go back to work on Thursday.
Wow.
And here you can see these results are completely typical, standard results that we can expect to see with any of our patients.
Wow, that is really amazing. You do this in your office?
We have a complete surgery center in the back of our office where we do all of our facelifts, rhinoplasties, and that includes our non-surgical treatments like FaceTite. Excellent.
All right, let's move on to another procedure that you offer up that's called Morpheus. Tell me about this. What does Morpheus do?
So Morpheus 8 is the latest version of radio frequency microneedling. It uses microscopic needles to induce microscopic injury in the skin. The needles penetrate to about 2 to 4 millimeters deep, and they stimulate growth factors to come and create new collagen. That adds thickness and volume back to aging skin, and the radio frequency also adds up to 40% skin tightening for even a further non-surgical, minimally invasive method for rejuvenating the areas of the face, neck, and chest.
Okay, so you can do all the area of the face?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, underneath the eyes?
Underneath the eyes especially helps out with some of the bags and a little bit of tear trough hollowing circles underneath the eyes.
Wow, all right. Those, and then how long before we see the after?
So the great thing about radio frequency microneedling is that it works by stimulating collagen growth and skin tightening. So the results continue to improve every week that goes by until you see the final results around between 3 to 4 months.
Really? And is this procedure also done in your office?
Yes, this procedure, like all the other ones that I do, are all done on site in our office.
Do you need more than one treatment in order to see those results? Is it multiple treatments or is it just one?
So everything depends on a patient-by-patient basis. Most patients will have one treatment done, and then you'll, like any other procedure, anti-aging treatment that you have, of course we start aging again as soon as we leave.
I know you always say that. Keep reminding us of that.
Right. So some patients will just have a little bit of, if they want to, maybe they'll come back and do it once a year or so.
Oh, okay. Excellent. Dr. Starkman, thank you for being here. Appreciate that. What a way to
Thank you, Terry.
Kick off the new year and the
Happy
new year.
New Year.
Thank you. You as well. Let me tell you about a little special offer he brought along with him. He's offering you 20% off a FaceTite treatment. Starkman Facial Plastic and Laser Surgery is located at 8560 East Shea Boulevard. That's Suite 110 in Scottsdale. You can call 480-590-2697. You can also learn more at ScottsdaleFacialPlastics.com.